Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Rashmita. I'm back with my new content for my channel Evolve #21. Please do subscribe, keep subscribing and keep sharing. So today's content was much requested and that is why I have come with a video on tips as to how to improve your likability. So what is likability quotient? That means on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you place yourself as a person, as a likable person? How likely are you to be likable? So are you a 2, 3, are you a 5, 6, whatever. But I can guarantee that at the end of this video, you will be a likable person, maybe a point 11. So 10 points on how to be a more likable person. Point number 1, signaling. Now when we like somebody, please do not restrict yourself from giving out the signals. By signals I mean small nods, an eye gesture, a nod of the head, your body language, because many a times as human beings we are scared. We are scared of getting rejected, or we think, what will the other person think if we say this? But that's not how it's supposed to be. Remember in school how easy it used to be? If we would like a boy or a girl, we would just go up to that person and say, hey, I like you, would you be my friend? I wish it was as easy as that as a grown-up, but try and make it that easy and life will be much more easier for you and you will become a much more likable person. The moment you start liking others, others will like you back. Point number 2, smile. Now you will tell me, why do I keep saying smile? Smiling is very important, and by smile I do not mean the fake Pan Am smile. Are you aware of the word Pan Am? Now Pan Am used to be an airline, and by a Pan Am smile we mean the fake smile that the cabin crew holds on their face when we board. Now let me tell you that they are not at all happy to have us on board, but still they would smile, and that smile is only restricted to this area, and it shows that it is a fake smile. But when you smile at somebody and you genuinely smile at somebody, your eyes squint, there are crow's feet here, and you smile with your entire face. Just look at a child smiling, the eyes sparkling and the entire face changing. So that is how the entire face muscles are used. So that is what is a genuine smile, and when you genuinely smile at a person, that smile goes forward and it is reciprocated. So point number 2, very importantly, was smiling. Point number 3, look for similarities. When you meet a person for the some time, hunt for a similarity that you have with that person. I mean something in common. That could be a person, a celebrity, a game, a dish that you like, anything in common, so that you have something and a sense of belonging. You see, all of us, we want to belong to a clan, and once that other person is in your clan, it is so much easier to talk to that person and build up from there, and that makes you a more likable person. Point number 4, dress appropriately. Now I know you will tell me, Rashmita, you keep harping about dressing. Why is it so important? It is important because it speaks volumes about you. Now when I say dress appropriately, I mean do not underdress. What do I mean by do not underdress? That means when you are when you are conducting a meeting, a team meeting maybe, and everybody else is formally dressed, you land there in a pair of jeans and a t-shirt. Now just because you hold a position of power, nobody is going to question you, and you are aware of that, but it only shows that how disrespectful you are of your audience, and that makes you a very unlikable person. Similarly, on the other hand, do not overdress. Do not show off. I am wearing this brand, I am wearing so and so, I only use this. Now that is overdressing. Try and be a little more in sync with your peers, so that you do not stand out. If you stand out, then you are the one who is outsider, and an outsider is never a likable person. Point number 5, positive attitude. Now we are all attracted towards positive attitude because of the simple fact that we are surrounded by negativity. So have positive attitude. Have that attitude wherein you can go ahead and tell people, doesn't matter, does not work out, go ahead, never let go. So again, I'll take reference from school. Who was your favorite teacher? The one who reprimanded you or the one who encouraged you? Wasn't it the one who encouraged you? My maths teacher always encouraged me, and I am still in awe of her. Now, that positive attitude is going to take you a long way and make you a very, very likable person. Initially, probably you have to fake it. Initially, probably you'll have to inculcate that positive attitude. But once you try and condition your mind and develop that positive attitude, you will be a positive person and you will turn into a positive person. And a positive person is a very, very likable person. Point number 6, sense of humor. What is sense of humor? Now, sense of humor means do not become a clown. I am not asking you to become a clown. I am just saying that try and make the situation light. What do I mean by try and make the situation light? First and foremost, you should be able to laugh at yourself, but don't turn yourself into a clown. And most importantly, never laugh at others. You can laugh at a situation, or you can laugh yourself out of a situation, or you can laugh somebody else out of a situation. But never make fun of somebody else. That is not called sense of humor. Sense of humor is more like taking things in a much lighter note. That is what is sense of humor, and people are drawn towards them. That makes them what is more likable. Point number 7, a good listener. Now, in communication, listening is the most underrated, but according to me, listening is one of the most important communication skills. If you are an avid listener, if you give a lot of attention to listening, then you will automatically become a likable person. All of us have so much to talk about. All of us want to open our heart out to people, but there aren't anybody who would sit there, give us their undivided attention and listen to us. So if you can do that, you have won 3/4 of the race there. So be a good listener, have good eye contact, do that occasional nod, try and summarize what he or she is trying to say, and you have, like I said, won the game. Point number 8, be humble. What do we mean by be humble? Be humble means don't brag about yourself. Maybe you have achieved a lot in life. Maybe you are very educated, very rich, or whatever. You can be very good at what you're doing, but don't brag about it. Be humble about it. You see, we all get awards. We all see awards happening around us. And when somebody receives an award, they say, I am so much indebted to so-and-so, my parents, my peers, my colleagues, etc., etc. Now, how would it be if somebody holds an award and says, I am thankful for this award, and I would credit only me and myself for this award because I am the only one who did everything for this award. Maybe you did everything that had to be done for this award. Could be true. But talking about it will make you a very arrogant person. And an arrogant person is not a likable person. So be humble, be likable. Point number 9, compliments. Yes, everybody likes receiving compliments. I like receiving compliments. You like receiving compliments. You are looking wonderful today. The backdrop today is different and it's looking better, Rashmita. So everybody likes receiving compliments. Somebody might be going through a very bad day, and one compliment that you give could change that day for a person and can make you a very likable person. So don't forget to compliment your peers, your friends, your family members, everybody that you meet. There's something likable about it. Last but not the least, point number 10, handshake. It is not valid now because we are going through the pandemic. We have to maintain social distancing, but handshake is a very, very important factor in becoming likable. So a strong, firm handshake is what is required. It shows that you are a confident person. It shows that you are here to make a mark, and that makes you a very likable person. So these were the 10 points that will change your likability quotient. Please do implement this in your daily lives. See the change happening. Do put in your comments in the comment box. Please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and keep safe.